Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Carrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing because every 2 weeks we upload on a Friday. So let's get on with today's video. And in today's video, what we're going to be reviewing is going to be the PowerDeWise Lavalier vlogging mic. It's the audio that you're listening to right now, so take this whole video as an example. But let's get on with the unboxing of the item. This one is a $40 PowerDeWise one. The information here is basically the same as the other one, where it shows all the stuff that you can use it on. And then just their logo, box, website thing, weird coding, other stuff there. And then again, what it comes with, and then a QR code over here, but we'll get more into that later on. Let's just go straight into it and get this open. There we go. Well, straight away, they also have a pouch. Is there anything else in there? Nope. Okay, straight away they also have a pouch. It's not the same one as the other one where it's leather, the one I reviewed as well. But, oh, it comes with a magnet. That's pretty cool. I kind of dig that. It kind of has this really cool shine. I mean, I barely ever use magnets, but, you know, yeah. But this one is not leather. It is more just cloth material, but it's stretchy, feels durable, it'll do the job. It's no leather like I said before. And then it comes with a microfiber. Always love these. They always come in handy. And then finally, let's slide this off. I don't even know what this is. Easy steps to great recording. Okay, I guess the instructions is a band. That's pretty cool actually. I like that because the other one had a lot of paper. The least amount, I prefer it that way. Now let's unzip that and open this up. Here's a lavalier mic. Also comes with a Velcro thing, so I really like that. I like that both companies took that. Here's the extender. And then finally, the magnetic clip that attaches to right over here. So let's just, boom, easy. I love that. That's really cool. You could always take it off whenever you want. And then I'm not sure what this is. Let's find out. Oh, there. More of these things. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. And then an adapter for this, because if you see right over here, this one has 3 of those black little lines, and then this one has 2. So depending on what you need it for, that's really cool that they have this as an adapter just in case. But let's put that back in again before I lose it. Come on. There we go. It's not going in there. Oh, it is. Okay, I lied. Back in the pouch you go. But other than that, the wires do feel better. It has like a better, more flexible, more like they cared about the wire being damaged feel to it. So I don't know how they make wires more durable, but it does feel more durable. Even these, the build quality feels like it's more for like Beats headphones type of stuff. Back then, it has like metal over here. And then the whole fact that this is a magnetic clip that's attached to your shirt, so you could just keep it on, take it off, depending on what you're doing, so you're not always wired up. That is pretty user-friendly. That just fell. That's embarrassing. But still, it's actually a pretty strong magnet. Dang. Hell yeah. But other than that, there's nothing really to talk about except for the build quality. Let's now talk about the audio quality out over there in the studio. And we're back from the overhead view, and I want to talk about the price point of this mic. The thing is, it's not going to be anywhere near as expensive as like a shotgun mic or anything from Rode. But it's not going to be the cheapest either. The price point is $35.45. And yes, that is not super cheap, but in the same time, it will be worth it from the sound quality and everything like that, as you can kind of listen to right now. But let's go on and actually talk about the specs of the mic before we actually get to examples. And now for the specs of the microphone. It has a 3.5 jack that has an adapter from a TRRS to a TRS, basically making it a 3-pin to a 2-pin. Now it also is compatible with almost every device. It works on phones, it works on cameras, it works on audio recorders, it works on your computer or laptop. It works on anything you can plug it into that is, well, either a 3-pin or a 2-pin, and you can get adapters for that as well. So technically it can work with almost anything. And the next thing I want to talk about is the cord of the microphone. Its length is going to be 6 feet, about that, because it's 2 meters long. Now it also comes with an extender, which is another 2 meters, which is basically 12 feet long, plus the adapter, so it's a little bit over 12 feet. But that's if you're just gonna ever use that long of a cord. 6 feet is honestly all you really need, and I'm glad they brought the extender just in case for those moments that you're gonna need that. But in my opinion, you won't. Also, the cord that it comes with powers the actual microphone. So if you're gonna get any adapter, make sure it's able to do so. And we're finally to the example. So the first example is gonna have no denoising in it at all, no editing, no nothing, and it's just gonna be silent. And now this one is gonna be silent again, but with some denoising. And now we're gonna be talking, but having it not denoise, just gonna continue talking like this and kind of stall until the point that you can kind of tell that's not being denoised. Yeah. And now we're on to it being denoised, and I am gonna be talking like this right now and stalling again until we go to the next example. But for now, I'm talking. So yeah. And now we're to the last example, and I want you guys to mute if you guys already know the issue of a lavalier mic. But if you don't, you could feel free to take off a headphone or take off headphones, because this is not gonna be good. So the biggest issue of a lavalier mic is if anything brushes on it or if your shirt moves, it will hear it and it will make it loud. So I'm gonna start brushing on it in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I told you guys, I warned you guys that it is not a fun sound, and we are back into a actual regular sounding voice versus that terrible. It's one of the worst things to ever hear in a movie or in a video. It is terrible. But there are solutions, small ones, but they will not fully prevent that from happening, because anything that brushes on that microphone, it will be heard. There's like some tape that you can put on your skin that allows it to happen less. There's a few other ways to do it, but it's just gonna happen with a lavalier mic. So that's just the nitty-grittiness of a lavalier mic. But I want to talk about next on who this mic is for. And it says on the box of it that it is for vlogging, and that's what it says on the Amazon description, and I honestly do think that's what it's for. But more for indoors, because if you are living in like a windy area or a place that has a lot of population, this mic will be brushed on and it will make that sound. So I suggest a different microphone if you're vlogging on the street or if you're gonna be moving around a lot. But if you're just doing interviews, if you're just doing a talking head like I'm doing right now, then it's kind of perfect for that. So it really depends on what type of vlogger and what type of content creator that you are. So if you're indoors, yes. If you're outdoors, probably not. And if you guys want to check out more film gear reviews, go ahead and check this playlist right up here. Also, if you guys want to check out the microphone or all the gear I use to make this video and all my past videos, go ahead and check down in the description below. They're going to be at no extra cost to you guys, but it will help out the channel, so help us out that way. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and dream on.